All right, let's get rolling. My name is Kerry Bruce, and I am your instructor for configuring Windows Server, CIS2620, for the summer 2024 semester. I just want to do a real quick intro, let you know kind of what the plan is for the class, and then I'll do a series of other videos for specific items. I think the biggest thing right off the bat, how to get a hold of me. First of all, if we have any live sessions, which we'll have a couple this semester because we are doing some pretty intensive lab work. So I'll hold a couple of lab sessions that you're welcome to join live and or watch later. The first one, I believe, is going to be June 4th, right? So a couple weeks out. And we will do our server installation. It's highly recommended that you join us for that one. It's going to be 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. on Tuesday, June 4th, where we will install all of the servers on our Proxmox system. So I'll do a live demonstration of that, install all of the servers that we're going to use for our lab work for this semester. Otherwise, Teams is going to be the best way to get a hold of me. So I use Microsoft Teams. You can find the Teams link right down here. I highly recommend that you put Teams on your smartphone so that you have it on you at all times. And if you have a question about the class, you can type that into Teams and get answers a lot quicker than any other process that we have. I will do a separate video specifically on Teams on how we want it to be used. We use it quite a bit in this class. For this class, I do believe in group learning. So when you have problems, I want you to post your questions in the general channel so that everybody can participate in answering and solving the problems. So, and again, I'll talk about that in a separate thing. So Teams is going to be the biggest way to get a hold of me. So Teams in the general channel is going to be the first way. If you need to do something that's not a question, like it's specific to you, like if it's a private matter, then use chat in Microsoft Teams to get a hold of me. You can use email. That is the slowest way. I check my email infrequently. I do have my phone with me at all times, so I check Teams quite a bit, and I have it set to alert me as needed. Whereas I don't have my email set to alert me because I have several hundred emails that come through a given day, so I don't. I work through those at a different time. So if you want to get a hold of me, Teams is going to be your quickest way to do that. Okay. For this first week, we want to get into the Getting Started module. You need to read the syllabus. I will do a separate video about the syllabus here shortly and add it to this assignment so you can see that video. Then there's a couple of things, some videos to watch, some reading to do, a quiz to take. There is a VPN. And if you've done any kind of VPNs with us in the past, we were using Checkpoint up until about a week ago. Now we use Fortinet. So there's a new set of instructions. If you click on this link here for setup CNN VPN, you will see the instructions there. I will do a video on that here momentarily. And then a couple other kind of things about Microsoft certifications, right? Because this class is designed around Microsoft Server. There are some and Server Plus, the CompTIA Server Plus. So there are some certifications that you can pursue as part of this class. I highly recommend that you do that. It will set you apart from others when you are all applying for the same set of positions once you graduate. So so that's the first week. I want you to get rolling on that. And like I said, I'm going to set out a series of videos here momentarily about different aspects of the class as we get going through the semester so that you have explanation of what it is that is being expected instead of just having to read and try to understand what's going on. All right. So welcome to the semester. I'm looking forward to having a good, strong semester. We have 12 weeks to get through the material, and I will cover that more. I'll cover the schedule more, again, in a separate video. But I did just want to say real quick, welcome. I'm looking forward to making some things happen this semester.